and welcome to Notion 101. In this series, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to get the most out of the tool. We'll go from the basics, like text editing, to some of the really fun stuff, like database workflows. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about why we built this tool and how this video series will feel different from a typical product tour. So our mission at Notion is to make software toolmaking ubiquitous, but what does that mean exactly? We believe that if every business and person can tailor software to their problems, that the world as a whole will be better at solving its problems. This means that we work not only to create a super flexible tool, but to invest in our users and in our community by teaching some of the underlying principles of software development. And because our tool is so flexible, it means that it can be used in near infinite ways. We'll talk through some of the best practices, including how to add and structure text, how to create a space that scales with your team, how to use databases to your advantage, and general problem solving within the tool. You're watching this video, which means you have your own reasons for wanting to be here, but we believe that building in Notion, creating your setup will have a positive impact on your life and on your organizations. That will come with time and practice, and this series will be a great first step. You can expect odes to computing for mothers and for fathers who paved the way for us to be here today, alongside hands-on tutorials in the product. We'll be learning, creating, and experimenting together. For the best experience, you'll want to have downloaded Notion, maybe played around in the tool a little bit. We'll go over everything, but if you're ever stuck, the Help Center is a great place to dive deep into a specific topic. My last encouragement is to actually create the content as we go through it. However, if you prefer to skip to one section, that'll work too. Without further ado, let's dive in.